Video we are going to talk about how we can use Google Fonts in our React.js application. So if you're interested to learn how to use Google Font or any of your favorite custom font, then watch this video till the end.
Alright, in the last video we had already created our React router. So let's navigate to CodeKicks.app, and once you navigate inside CodeKicks.app, you will see that there is a post called how to add custom font in React.js. Once you navigate inside that, then it lists down all these different steps that you need to follow for integrating a new font for your project. Okay, so I'll go to the first one, which is going inside fonts.google.com. Exactly, we'll go there, and the step number 2 says we are going to be needing to identify one particular font that we want to use in our application. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using a font that I personally like very much, and that's Pacifico. So we search for the font in the Google Fonts website here, and then we click on the font, and the font page appears here. Now once the font page has already appeared, what we need to do is we need to select this particular style. If there are other alternatives or different other styles for this font already present, they would be all listed here, and we would have to select one of the many styles that are present. But for this font, what we see is that there's only one option, and as we have already selected that style, we can see that there is the option available for remove this style. This is not something that we are interested. What we are interested here on the right side, and then on this right side window, there is these two tabs. We are interested about this embed tab, and inside embed, what we see is that there is this link that is important for us, and also the declaration of the font family. That's something we are going to be using. For our purpose, what are we going to do is that we are going to be pasting this link inside our code. And for that, we go back to this site again. We have already selected and identified our font, and we have already done step number 4. Step number 5 says we copy the link. We need to paste this link href, and where that we're going to do this is basically our index.html. The link is basically the embed link. So we take that, we paste it here. Now our application has access to fonts.googleapis.com with the family of Pacifico and whatever the style that we have selected. So what's the next step? Next step is that we declare the font inside our index.css. So we copy this from here, and we go inside our index.css, and I'll just copy and paste it here. So now, if things work correctly, I should be able to see this font instead of the existing one that we are seeing already. Okay, so we are once folder up. So let me try and start here, and it's going to be starting the scripts. So our application is going to be running up here, and let me see if it starts on localhost 3000 or some other port. I was also talking about the bonus tips, and bonus tip number 1, what are the favorite fonts that I usually use on my application. So I have already seen one of them is Pacifico. There are others. Sometimes I use, if you see CodeKicks.app, we have used Korean New in many places. Rails is one of the fonts, and if I show you the one that we use is called Rails, Railway. I'm sorry. So this is the one we use very much inside our CodeKicks.app, and this is one of the option that I was talking about, is that for one particular font, if there are many different styles which are present, then you can actually select that particular style. And if you see here, if I see this font, the display is something here, but if I just change that one, if you see this family is getting changed. So this is something that keeps happening. for every different font. And yeah, so you can definitely come to the site and try your different options and see which one is the one that you really want to use in your application. But now I think our app has already started, and we can see that the new updated font is taking effect. In the next video, we are going to create a new logo for our application. So I have already created that post here, which is called generating app icons for React app.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked the video, do not forget to mention your favorite fonts in the comment section below, and do like the video. Also, if you are interested for such videos, please subscribe to the channel.